Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Geography Lesson 2, Land and Oceans. Where we are living, children? We are living in the earth. Isn't it? Yes, very good. Why earth is a living planet? Very good. Earth is a living planet because optimum level of heat, land, water and the air is present here. So Earth is called as a living planet. Earth is covered by water which occupies 71%, land occupies 29%. The surface of the earth has lofty mountains, deep oceans and other landforms. Landforms are classified as first order landform, second order landform and a third order landform. In a first order landform, continents and oceans are there. Second order landforms, mountains, plateaus and plains. In the third order landform, valley, beaches and sand dunes are there. Now first order landforms. What are first order landforms? Continents and oceans are the first order landforms. What do you mean by continents? Yes, very good. The vast landmass on the earth are called continents. A vast landmass on the earth are called continents. Oceans means large water bodies are called oceans. How many continents are there? Very good. There are 7 continents. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans on the earth's surface. Very good. Now, how many continents is there? You said the answer rightly. What are they? They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. In which continent we are living? We are living in Asia. We are living in the continent of Asia. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans, isn't it? Yes. What are they? Very good. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Pacific is the largest ocean. Which is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Now coming to the second order landforms, mountains, plateaus and plains are the second order landforms. Mountains is a landform that rises 600 meters above its surrounding and has steep slopes is called mountains. If the mountain exceeds for a larger area continuously, it is called as a mountain range. Mountain range means continuous stretch of mountains. Andes Mountain in South America is a longest mountain range in the world. Plateaus are the elevated portion of the earth that have flat surface bounded by steep slopes. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. So it is called as a roof of the world. It is called as a roof of the world. Tibetan Plateau is a roof of the world. Chota Nagpur Plateau is one of the mineral-rich plateaus in India. Plains. Plains are the flat and relative low-lying lands. Plains are usually less than 200 meters above the sea level. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. The plains formed by river Kaveri and Vaigai are the important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Third order landforms are mountains, plateaus and the plains. By erosional deposition activities of river, glaciers, winds and waves. Valley, beaches and sand dunes are some of the examples of the third order landforms. Third order landforms are formed on the mountains, plateaus and the plains. Oceans. What is called as ocean? Ocean is a large water mass. It's called as a oceans. Oceans are vast expanse of water. Seas or water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean. Then in what? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. These are the 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about 1/3 of Earth's total area. The deepest point, Mariana Trench, is located in a Pacific Ocean. Which is the deepest point in a Pacific Ocean? Mariana Trench. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean called Pacific Ring of Fire. Next is the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers 1/6 of Earth's total area. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. The Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep. Next is the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the Earth's surface. It is named after the country India. It is triangular in shape. Malacca Straits connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Which is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean? Java Trench. Next is the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It is bordered by southern part of Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. The water in this ocean is very cold. It is covered by ice. The deepest point in this ocean is the South Sandwich Trench. The last ocean is the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean. Thank you, children.